As it currently sits, we have both of our sides completed. We have all three of our upper horizontal supports completed, and we have our one lower horizontal support completed. To begin assembly, we are going to clamp one of our sides in the vise. We are going to install one screw in the top hole location, but we only want to install it far enough where it just begins to stick out the other side, just about 1/8 of an inch. And you will want to do this for all horizontal support locations. After that, we're going to line up one of our horizontal supports with our hole location. That little 1/8 inch bit of screw should fit into the hole. And as we hold that in place tightly, we're going to install the screw. What you don't want to see is big gaps where the horizontal support meets the side. We want to tighten up those gaps because we want these two components to sit squarely and tight. Now you want to make sure that you are using a screwdriver and not a drill or impact driver, because we are screwing this into oak, which is very hard lumber, and if we miss the hole or we over tighten it, it will split out the lumber and we will ruin what we've been working on for the last good amount of time. When all horizontal supports are installed with one screw, we can set it face down on the table and then clamp our next side in the vise. And we again want to start each screw just until it sticks out about 1/8 of an inch. The difference with installing the second side is that we want to very gently place the side on top of our other pieces, lining up each of those drill hole locations. And then we can install those screws. And at this point we can flip up our project and have a better idea of what it looks like.